Welcome. In this video, I want to share 10 pro tips for everyday use of your GARMIN Bounce 2. The first tip is downloading and installing and setting up the GARMIN Jr application, which is the essential app for your Garmin. Also, you really should purchase the subscription, which is available in your child's dashboard in settings menu. Here select connectivity and view options and select and purchase the subscription that you consider right for you right now. There are two subscription types, either the monthly subscription or the annual subscription. The annual is slightly cheaper than the monthly. The monthly is $10 in US and 11 euros in Europe, and the annual one is $100 in US and $110 in and €10 in Europe. Now, unfortunately, I don't know their price for the rest of the world, but you can always check it in your application. Now, once you do that, the first thing that I would do is taught a child to use the Get Help feature. Once you purchase this subscription, you have to teach your child on how to activate an emergency mode. To do that, just hold down the start button until you see an emergency screen right here. Now, in my case, I don't see it because currently I don't have the purchased subscription. But generally speaking, once this mode is activated, your child's location is sent to you in the live mode, and you will also receive a call from a child and are able to communicate with them instantly. Now, the next thing is connecting to Wi-Fi at home. If you hadn't already, in Wi-Fi, in settings, tap the plus icon, then select the available Wi-Fi nearby. And once you do that, write a password for the Wi-Fi right here and tap continue. Then select the boundaries for this Wi-Fi, and that will be it. Now, the next thing is customizing controls and shortcuts. So, to customize the shortcuts on your device, you have to open the menu, the app menu screen. Then go to settings, then scroll down to system, and in system you'll find shortcuts, and here you can customize the shortcuts. These are the shortcuts for gestures with your two main buttons, either holding start, holding back button. This is the start one, this is the back one, or holding them together. And you can choose from a huge variety of different functions for this button. Next, you should you should enable and customize the school mode and the do not disturb during sleep mode in settings, parental controls. Here you can enable the school mode by switching the toggle to the right. Then you can choose one of the available sub modes, either the silent or silent and restricted. Silent disables sounds, vibrations, and notifications, and silent and restricted also applies some restrictions that help your child focus more at school, and the same for do not disturb during sleep. Next, add multiple parent devices. To do that, go to the More section in the app, select Family, then tap Invite Member, provide their email address. They will receive a Here you can select the permission level, either the guardian, caregiver, or communicator. Also, learn to use the messages and the two-way calling. So you can call your child in the Connect menu in the application using this icon right here. Or you can message them using voice messages, text messages, or emoji. And your child should learn how to use messages phone, and also the check-in option that instantly sends you their live location. Also, learn to use clocks, or rather teach your child to use clocks. In the clocks you can set alarms, timers, and stopwatches and countdowns, and also learn them them voice commands, or teach them voice commands, but first learn them yourself. So in voice commands you can, for example, set an alarm for 7 a.m. Wednesday morning, and after that, if the voice command recognized your command, it will add, for example, an alarm, or will perform any other feature on your device. And also, what you should do is set up the steps goal on your device's watch. To do that, go back to settings and select daily step goal, and here provide a value that you think is realistic for your child, and tap OK. And at this point, these are all the tips I wanted to mention in this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.